Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will learn about the assignment operator in Python programming. So what's the assignment operator? Assignment operator is used to assign a value to the variable. In Python, we use equal. This equal operator, equal sign for this purpose. For example, a is equal to 15, for example. This line means we create a variable called a, and then we assign the value of 15 to it, to a. For example, b is equal to 10, for example. So what does it mean? We create a variable b and assign it the value 10. So equal sign puts the value on the right, into the variable on the left. So in programming languages, we do this way. We put all the time the value on the right and assign it into the variable on the left. So here the space is not important. For example, e is equal to 15 is correct. This one also is correct. Both are valid. So Python doesn't care about spaces around the equal sign. However, we usually add spaces left side and right side for better readability. So, if I want to print these values on the screen, print A and then print B, what will appear on the screen? You see 15 and 10. So let's continue by updating the value of a variable. For example, I'm doing this way. A is equal to a plus 1. What does it mean? What's the current value of a? The current value of a is 15. If we add 15 plus 1, we store new value back in a. So now a is 16. So let's print a. I copy and paste here. I run it. You see 16 on the screen. So I can make it shorter. The shorter way to write it, I'm doing again a plus equal 1. What does it mean? Plus equal. Plus equal mean a is equal to a plus 1. If I print it again, here current value is 16. If I add 1, current value here after this line is 17. I'm running. You see 17 on the screen. Let's continue with b value. B minus equal 1. What does it mean? B is equal to b minus 1. So if I want to print b value, what will appear? The current value of b is 10 here. If I subtract 1 from b, what will appear? It will appear 9 will appear on the screen. I run it, you see 9. I can apply this shorter way to the other operator as well. For example, here, if I want to a is equal a plus 2, for example, I can make it shorter. How I do it? I will do multiplication operator and then I add equal. Here, after this line, the current value of a is 17. So if I multiply by 2, I want to print it on the screen. I run it, you see 34 on the screen. Similarly, I can apply for division operator too. Here, I'm doing it for division operator. For example, if I want to divide a with 3, a is equal to a divide 3 by 3. The current value of a here 34. If I divide by 3, what will appear on the screen? If I want to print it, I run it, you see 11 dot blah blah blah. It continues. If I want floor division, I add one division operator and run it. You see 11. The decimal part is removed. So that's all about assignment operator. See you in the next lesson.